When you open the app for the first time and log in, you're going to be asked to receive a notification. You want to make sure you click on Allow. When you click on the button Create Website, you're also going to be asked to allow access to your photos. Make sure you select Allow All Access to all photos. From here, go ahead and select at least one photo. We will always recommend to have multiple photos to create the gallery. But remember, the first photo you select will be the cover image. Here, you want to go ahead and fill out the title, description, and the address, and the rest will be automatically populated for you. Just make sure you go ahead and confirm the attributes of the property. So the title is what is going to be your catchphrase, is to grab the people's attention. That will be shown below the image when you do share on social media. And the description generally is your call to action. So I put in the title as just listed in Evergreen, and our call to action is send us a message to book a private tour. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the location and just type in an address that I found. As you type the address in, you will start seeing the address auto-populate. So when you do find it, select it. And once you select it, the information will get populated. Once you select it, just double check the bedroom, the bath, the square footage, and a lot are accurate. We're pulling data from public and county records. It's not always going to be accurate, so we always advise to always double check the information. But as you scroll down, you can go ahead and be ready and just hit the button Publish, which will then go ahead and share this information onto your social media account. The difference between the save and publish is that the save will save what you've done here and make a website, but no one will know about it. If you hit the button Publish, it's not only going to save the website and make it, it's also going to immediately ask you where to share the website so that people can see this. So for this example, we're going to go and hit Publish so you can see this in action, saving the website and then pulling up. Here, you're going to be able to have an option to choose any social media app you have installed on your phone. For our example, we're going to go ahead and hit the button Publish. And where you normally type in your post, all you need to do is tap your finger one time and it's going to pull up this option to paste. And with Cato, we create the ad for you. We create the post for you automatically using your content. So once you hit the button paste, it's going to type it in, it's going to use the right emojis, and it's going to write the right social media tags along with your contact information. So at this point, you're ready to go. Just hit next, share, and you're done. And this gets posted over to Facebook. Now, if you ended up making a website and hitting save and you didn't publish it, well, when you are done and ready to share it, all you need to do is swipe right on the actual website that you want, swipe right and hit share, and then that will also pull up everything that you want in terms of all the apps you want to share to. You have the option. So for example, if you wanted to go ahead and hit share to share it to LinkedIn, you can do that. Hitting that pulls up, again, a list of apps you can share to, and I can choose LinkedIn now instead of Facebook. If you guys have any questions, feel free to live chat with us directly on our dashboard or on our website, bottom right. We're always available, ready to serve you. Have any questions, don't feel free to call us or go ahead and email us at support@kscato.com. Until next time, thank you.